First of all, good evening. Our country's successful Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ji, our Member of Parliament Dr. Mahesh Sharma ji, and District President Shri Gajendra Mavi ji. You all are seeing the way effort are being made to create an advantage of Bangladesh in the entire country of India, keeping in mind that it is very important for our government to come in Uttar Pradesh with full maturity. For that, I will do my duty fully. I will continue to discharge my duties selflessly, and I will continue to do whatever work I have taken up with full honesty every day, counting all the day. Because our motive is to get success and achievements of my Bharatiya Janata Party. And how big a crisis it is for the Hindus, I will speak every day, keeping everyone informed. But Yogi ji, I have a request to you that this time you will also have to decide how the work is going on at the ground level. Because you see, at the upper level, the work at the upper level is undoubtedly excellent, used to be, but this time special attention should be given, should be paid to whatever the work is being done properly at the ground level. At this time, we will have to work more than before, because it should be the responsibility of all of us to save the Hindus. Yogi Adityanath ji is the only one who can keep Uttar Pradesh safe. But whatever has happened has happened. Now we should not think about it. While thinking about 2027, 2027, we should pay serious attention to this every day. After all, how do we listen to the problems of the people? It is very important issue. Because people say that our MLA, our MP is not in reach of us, out of reach. So we think how to solve their problems. Then in my opinion, you should tell all the MLAs at the ground level that all of them should decide constituencies that MLAs should meet the people for a day or 2 days a week. Give time to the people and listen to whatever problems they have and direct to the competent for necessary action. This will help every person, even the small ones, to join us, who these days say, how can I go to the MLA? so the MLAs don't even know. But if we work at the ground level, then I am personally saying that I have not been in politics much. It has been, I think, 4 months. But I am telling you, if we will work on that, this is my personal point of view. There is no need to tell, but I see it is very important work at the ground level when even the smallest of the poorest of the poor comes and meets our MLAs, then a confidence, different type of confidence will increase in the mind that yes, our Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is always with us in Bhajapa government. All the MLAs who have been elected by the public are not far from our reach. We have to decide that how can we reach every people of the constituency. We can convey our views to them and they take our problem seriously when they get confidence in it. जब उनको अपने अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा गरीब आदमी को, then I can say, so will the MLAs and whoever else, all of them, the works of Bharatiya Janata Party, if the listen of the problems of the people, poor people, those people, and solve them. I agree and also know that such excellent work is being done at the upper level. But at the lower level, it is very important to work at the level which gives them all the subjects on which people get confused. Like suppose now, this is the card of Ayushman. Now, they do not know how it is made, who makes it. So many schemes have been made by the Prime Minister and you. How many schemes have been given at the state level, but people do not have knowledge about them because they do not know what benefit they will get from these schemes that you are running and where will be built and what is the process, because most of them are meeting whatever schemes they are running, and there is a system to fill the online form in them. Then if a person from the poor section not fully capable of filling the online form, if he is not able to fill it, then some of MLAs should help him so that someone can do his work, fill their forms and help them honestly. Then I am saying, Chief Minister Sir, if we get an absolute majority. It will be a very small thing and will take us to great heights, nor will we ever talk about the number game. We will just have to get an absolute majority. We have to work honestly and fully dedication on every seat. We have to work on that basis. We have to give the best from our side, whatever work we do. Then I think we will get definitely record seats in the 2027 elections. I believe that we will do this and the country will have to be strengthened because you are the second person in Indian politics. Whatever work you are doing at your level is doing a very good job, but our MLAs are still beyond the reach of general public. And I tell you, and unless there is transparency between the MLAs and the public, we will not be able to know what problem the people of our assembly are facing. We have to bring transparency about whatever people are happy or disappointed with our work and what things they are not aware of. Now it has become very necessary because the way people are cheated and votes are taken in the name of Constitution. Now if this happens again, we will have to suffer the consequences, but you must not let this happen at any cost. We have to work at the grassroots level, and that should be done. That should make every person feel that yes, this is my government. This government is for a poor and a small man. It also listens to me. The main reason for the way public trust has wavered is that we have created a curtain between ourselves and the public, which is curtain of social media. Because even today many people do not use social media, but social media or electronic media, they all are doing the right work, wonderful work at their place. But I am telling you that a poor man doesn't have a smartphone and he do not listen because he has no time to listen and taking knowledge from our Facebook or Twitter. I think Twitter, some people use Twitter. Main focus we have to give on Facebook. If we will do that, we will have to go to do public relations and go door to door when we will able to restore whatever has greater atul in our system, and when the system is completely improved, when the system is completely improved, when some trust on us generate in public, then I can say without any doubt that we would create history with record victory, and this entire state will become happy, and our state will be completely free from rape and holy MPs. In our state, the law and order will be smooth, settled, and I want to request one request more, that police should be listening to everyone. I have seen many times police do not take any action on the poor people reports. So this will be very helpful for us, because we are getting votes from poor peoples, farmers. This is our main strength, and we have become weak, and we can see in Lok Sabha election results. So I am telling you that please do work on those issues who are very important, and from small and grassroots level, because I am saying that today a public is very angry with the government, because they say that nobody come to reach us, and we cannot reach them ourselves, by ourselves. Not MLA, not MP. So I want to tell you that, sir, please do it transparently. If transparency will create, then every person will reach MP and MLAs and can solve their problems by the MLAs and MPs. So now this is not the time of only depend on social media or electronic media. According to me, this is my personal experience, that Congress has got more seats but you think what is the reason? I thought very, very deeply. This region only Yatra by Rahul Gandhi, so-called Nyaya Yatra by Rahul Gandhi. He met the people one to one, face to face. And Samajwadi Party, I can also say that their workers met door to door with public and helped them. It is the reason and most important reason that they have succeed more than before Lok Sabha election. So I request you to please, sir, think, and now the time is, the demand of the time is doing the work at the grassroots level. Otherwise, circumstances are not so good as before. So thank you very much. If any of my word hurted you, so please apologize me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Forgive me. Thank you.